Top of mind.
Fear of making mistakes, struggling to find the right words, confused about sentence structure, mispronouncing words. These are common struggles many of us face when learning English, and I completely understand. In this video, you will learn about some common mistakes and how to avoid them. You may be wondering, are there any special times I should use the? Let's learn together how to use the in a sentence. Are you ready? Grab your pen and paper. Let's begin. Give this a try. Choose the correct sentence in each pair. 1. A. In the USA, the situation is totally different. B. In USA, the situation is totally different. 2. A. The table shows the number of people working in Britain in 1976. B. The table shows the number of people working in Britain in 1976. Let's check your answer. The correct answer in number 1 is letter A. The correct answer in number 2 is letter B. The correct answer in number 1 is letter A. In the USA, the situation is totally different. We use the with countries or places where the name refers to a group of islands or states. For example, the United States, the Middle East, the United Arab Emirates, the UK, the Philippines. The correct answer in number 2 is letter A. The table shows the number of people working in Britain in 1976. The underlined phrase is the number of. We use the when referring to a specific quantity. In this case, it indicates the exact number of people working in Britain. If we said a number, it would mean any number, which is too general. The fixed phrase, the number of, is used for a specific quantity, while a number of means some or several. Example for comparison, the number of students in the class is 30. 30 is the exact. 30 is specific quantity of students. On the other hand, a number of students were absent today. Some, an unspecified amount. Here's additional information. We use the in the following cases. With superlatives. For example, the best, the longest, the highest, etc. With cardinal numbers. For example, the first, the second, the third, etc. When there is only one in the world. For example, the environment, the internet, the sun, etc. To refer to the only one in these particular areas. For example, the government, the police, the river, etc. And in the phrase, we say the same as. We don't use the in the following cases. With a single country or place, for example, America, England, China, and any other specific country or place. When talking about something in general, we use the plural form when referring to a general concept and when identifying one specific. For example, cats make great pets. People with reading difficulties often have problems with numbers. These two example sentences are general. Let's try to answer this example. Please correct the mistake. Your hairstyle is not same as mine. Now let's answer this. Do you remember the phrase that we discussed from the previous slides? The phrase that we use the same as. Now let's read together. Your hairstyle is not the same as mine. Now let's have a practice. Please answer this activity alone. Let's check your answer. Well done!
Thanks for watching.